Unlock a world of games for your Nintendo Switch using your American Express gift card, even if it's not a direct purchase. While you can't directly redeem an American Express gift card on the Nintendo eShop, don't worry. We'll guide you through a simple workaround to get your digital games and content. The key is to convert your Amex gift card into Nintendo eShop credit. The easiest way to do this is by purchasing Nintendo eShop gift cards from trusted online retailers. First, open your web browser and head to a reputable online retailer that sells digital gift cards. Think of major online stores you might already use. Once you're on the retailer's site, search for Nintendo eShop gift card. You'll typically find various denominations available. Choose the amount that matches your desired purchase or the value of your Amex gift card. Now, when you proceed to checkout, select your American Express gift card as the payment method. You'll enter the card number, expiration date, and security code just like any other credit card transaction. Carefully input all the required American Express gift card details. Make sure everything is accurate to ensure a smooth transaction. Once the purchase is complete, you'll usually receive a digital code for your Nintendo eShop gift card either via email or instantly on the retailer's website. Now, it's time to redeem your Nintendo eShop credit. Power on your Nintendo Switch and navigate to the Nintendo eShop icon on the home screen. Within the eShop, look for an option like Add Funds or Redeem Gift Card. It's usually found on the left-hand menu. Enter the digital code you received from the online retailer. Double-check for any typos to avoid errors. Your account balance will then be updated with the amount of your Nintendo eShop gift card. You can now use this eShop credit to purchase games, adding content, or even download classic titles from the Nintendo eShop. Enjoy your new digital adventures.